Welcome, soldiers and operational designers. I'm Major Justin Webb. Today I'll walk you through the Strategic Environment Assessment tool, great for building a high-level understanding of geopolitical, social, and military factors that might shape your mission or plans. We'll be using a series of prompts with CamoGPT to transform our basic research into a solid strategic overview. This is one of several tools you can find in the free AI-powered operational design guide. For step 1, I Googled some references, think quick searches for strategic documents, relevant news articles, that sort of thing, and dropped them into a simple Word doc. Nothing fancy, just rough context for the AI to start with. Here, I would pay attention to the resources recommended in the guide, like the Joint Intelligence Preparation of the Operational Environment, strategic guidance documents, etc. Upload those documents and anything else you find important. Next, you will copy the first prompt from the guide, paste it into CamoGPT, and provide additional context in curly braces. From there, each prompt guides the AI to summarize strategic guidance, prompt 2, identify key state and non-state actors, prompt 3, conduct a PESTEL analysis, prompt 4, assess emerging threats, opportunities, prompt 5, validate strategic assumptions, prompt 6, synthesize findings, prompt 7, provide final recommendations, prompt 8. As you can see, I'm just copy-pasting each prompt into CamoGPT and get step-by-step outputs, first summarizing policies, then analyzing threats, and finally producing a cohesive assessment. It's a quick, systematic way to ensure you're not missing any key factors. Also, feel free to modify the prompt or ask it to reflect and improve on its response if it doesn't meet your intent. Do this before moving to the next prompt. That's it. The Strategic Environment Assessment helps you turn scattered info from pertinent sources into a robust overview for operational design. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out my YouTube channel for more AI and military planning tips. And don't forget, you can download a free copy of this tool and others in the description or comments.